What is TCP Server mode? Secure device server configured as TCP servers can be connected by host PCs running TCP client programs and securely collect data from them over a network. TCP server mode can be simultaneously connected to and collect data from up to 16 host PCs. How to configure TCP server mode? The following procedures use SN3002P as an example. 1. Using an UL modem cable, connect the SN serial port 1 to a serial device. 2. Using an Ethernet cable, connect the SN's LAN port to your local network. 3. On a host PC, use IP installer utility to discover the IP address of the SN3002P. 4. Using a web browser, enter the SN3002P's IP address, and log in. 5. Under Serial Ports, click the Edit button of port 1. 6. Under Properties, configure the necessary serial communication settings to match with the connected serial device. 7. Under Operating Mode, select TCP Server from the drop-down list. Optionally enable the Secure Transfer option if you want the data to be encrypted and transmitted securely over a network. Note: when Secure Transfer is enabled for secure connection, every connecting serial device must be connected via another SN device, in TCP client mode with Secure Transfer enabled. 8. Once configured, the Ethernet port of SN3002P's port 1 is assigned to 5301, the port number for TCP communication. Note: the Ethernet port is assigned based on base socket settings and system, general settings, then service ports. How to test TCP server mode? Using PC1 as the TCP client and PC2's COM port as a serial device, presume the settings of the SN3002P have been properly configured. 1. On PC1, use TCP test tool, a third-party utility, to send or receive data to or from PC2. 2. On PC2, use PuTTY, a third-party utility, to configure its serial communication settings. 3. On the TCP test tool of PC1, you can enter any text to test if it can be received by the PuTTY of PC2. Conversely, you can also enter any text on the PuTTY of PC2 to test if it can be received by the TCP test tool of PC1. Thanks for watching SN3000 series TCP Server mode.